Imagine walking into your living room and spotting your prized fern, Fernie, sniffling. Yes, sniffling. One day, as I dusted Fernie's leaves, it let out the loudest sneeze I've ever heard from a plant. But the real surprise? Fernie started to dance. Its fronds wiggled, twisted, and shimmied like it was auditioning for a reality show. I stared in disbelief as Fernie moonwalked across the windowsill. Turns out I'd spilled a bit of soda on the pot. Caffeine makes plants sneeze and groove, apparently. Now Fernie's famous for its boogie and its allergies.